A cure for the age-old problem of hair loss. Men aren't the only ones looking for a cure for hair loss. Some women are also affected. One solution is delving into the internet for answers. Cyberspace will provide you with a number of solutions to this confidence-breaking problem. You can even sift through a variety of reviews posted by individuals who have tried specific products. Depending on what you're willing to spend, there is surely a cure for hair loss suitable to you. I recall when my older brother began losing his do toward the end of high school. I felt awkward about this, I must admit. Why do some guys start losing their hair at such a tender age? Much actually depends on genetics and stress. I'm guessing it was stress in this case since my mother's father has a full head of hair. If you watch television, then you've most likely spotted a hair loss commercial or two. Those sometimes quirky, yet cheesy ads don't offer much solace when we start going bald up top or the forehead starts to expand. Luckily there are quality solutions at hand. The first step you should take concerning a cure for hair loss is consulting a family doctor or possibly a trichologist. He or she will be able to present you with some decent options. The good news is many of these products are effective but not so expensive these days. You can get your hair back. You just need to exhaust your resources in order to pinpoint that perfect cure for hair loss. This certainly is the simplest choice, but it doesn't have to be your only option. You can find an effective cure for hair loss if you do your homework. In the cosmetically advanced world we currently reside in, there's no reason why you have to take your hair loss like a man. Are you in desperate search of a cure for hair loss? Many men across the world are going through a daily struggle with hair loss. The inevitable affliction sadly becomes a reality for many of us. Although most men do not prefer a bald scalp, some are taking this route and avoiding the struggle altogether. This can be helpful in your search for the right and ideal cure for hair loss. You've simply got to love the internet. If you discover an over-the-counter cure for hair loss, you can likely pick it up at any corner drugstore. Make sure you share the video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.